Good morning. I will be making my second coffee because today we're having a road trip. Gawa lang ako ng iced coffee kasi malapit ko nang makalimutan na may transition pala kaming ginagawa ni Jaisal. Naipasa niya na yung assignment niya, yung akin hindi ko pa nagawa. So gagawin natin siya later kaya gagawa tayo ng iced coffee. So first, ilagay natin to para mag-grind ng beans. Hindi ko kaagad to nire-refill. Tinatapos ko muna siya para talaga, kasi minsan pa iba-iba yung beans ko. So, para malaman ko kung ano yung mas bet ko na beans. So, ayan, tapos na siya. Meron akong caramel sauce here. Nito ko siya, ganyan, condensed milk. Kasi medyo strong yung beans ko. So, yung gilid is caramel sauce. Tapos yung base is condensed. Ngayon naman kuha tayo ng milk. And by the way, OOTD check. If nakikita mo, I love this long dress. Parang very, ano lang siya, very simple. Ganon. Okay, so ito na yung ating milk. Ngayon naman maglagay tayo ng ice. Ayan, nilagay ko na yan dito. Long press ko lang siya, parang gusto ko ng manual. Then, later on, labas na yung ano. Diba? Ito yung iba. Ko lang siya. Ay, wait. Kailangan ko pa siya lagyan ng syrup. Hold on. Ito yung syrup ko. So, lagyan ko muna siya ng one shot. Nalagyan ko na siya ng one shot. James like chai latte, pero ayaw niya daw for today's video. So, yung iced coffee ko na lang. And then, pinaganyan ko siya. Sure! Ayan siya. That's our iced coffee. Ito yung ating iced coffee. Ito yung perfect natin all the time. Sure! Pag nilagay ko na yung lid, magli-leak siya. So, bawasan na natin siya. May... Ay! Ito talaga minsan, na ano ako, kasi lumalabas lang siya out of nowhere.
Hello.
Are you ready, my love?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ito, ang story nito, may nakasabay kaming namili ng beans sa aisle ng mga kape. And nakausap niya. And then, parang nag-brainstorming sila, what is the best. At the same time, affordable. And then, sabi nung matanda, he tried this one and it's really good. So, yung pinili niya is, yung strength is 4. But, just to be safe, pinili ko na lang yung 3. Kasi, ayoko magsisi sa huli. And, kahit affordable na to, mahal pa rin siya. Alam niyo yun? So, let's see. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan kasi, meron pa akong old beans na nilagay ko dito. So, ubusin ko muna to siya.
No cookies, ma'am.
What?
No cookies.
No cookies. I throw it.
Really?
Yes. Because I can't finish it and I don't want you to eat it. Tinapon ko yung cookies na ginawa ko kasi.
So I'll get fat.
I know.
What?
That's why I throw it, because I don't want you to feel bad of yourself.
Thanks, ma'am.
Tinapon ko yung cookies na ginawa ko. Gusto ko lang naman makuha yung perfect shape, pero hindi ko talaga siya makuha. So, tinapon ko na lang. And ayoko rin yung masyadong matamis. Kumakain ako ng matamis, pero wag sobra.
Are they coming along for the ride today? All these people that are watching?
And if they watch until the end.
Okay. Let's go.
Hold on.
Okay.
See, who's the boss? I'm just looking for a lead. Walang boss sa amin. Pareho kami nagko-compromise. But this is my iced coffee. Okay, let's go. It looks busy.
Always busy. My gym workout this morning was not busy at all.
That's good. I might work out later. We are currently here. Labas tayo mamaya. This is the view outside. So nice. Look at that. Medyo mabato lang siya. But so far, super nice.
Very nice. Nice spot.
Yeah, it looks like there's someone in here. Or that's a Batman. ako doon. Uwi na kami. Kasi nakakapagod. Currently 12:35 p.m.